Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips with the Tulip tribe. Today, talking Freesia. The care and handling is easy. There's no foliage, so giving it a cut, placing it in water with flower food, and they'll bloom out beautifully. The pro technique, as they start to bloom out, or if they have a damaged petal, if you'll remove that, completely remove, then they'll continue opening on down the spike. And do that every time one starts to fade. Rather than leaving it there, take it off and let it open on out. They'll open clear down to the last few buds. It's amazing how many of them will open, giving you long-lasting life. Now, the harsh reality, the little tiny buds like this probably are not going to open. They've been picked too prematurely, so it really works mostly for the ones that have a little bit of color showing to where it will open clear down to like this one, giving you much more life. Now you know the pro technique for extending the life of your Freesia.